Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Kids Cloud. Today I am going to share with you all some amazing activities which you can do easily at home with some of your household things. So first of all, take a file or folder like this in which we have transparent sheets like this, as you can see. Now I have made some activities on A4 sheets like this. So get a packet of A4 sheets, colorful or white. As you can see, I have taken white sheets. Now with the help of this, you can make multiple activities for the preschoolers. You can teach them numbers, colors, letters and many more things. So I'll share all the activities one by one with you. So the first activity is to recognize numbers from 1 to 10. You can see here I have made a caterpillar and I have made few number stickers like this on a piece of colorful paper. Now for this activity, you can ask your child to put numbers one by one according to their place. So it is a kind of matching activity like this. And so on. Now next activity is number activity, in which here I have made 5 different buckets. Now I have made few water droplets, as you can see like this. So you can ask your child to place water droplets according to the number. So for number 1, I will place 1 water droplet. For number 2, it is like this. For 3 droplets, and so on. In this activity, I have made a circle with numbers, and so for this circle we have to make a flower, and as you can see I have put dots. So you can ask your child to match the dots and place it at the number. So child will learn to point and read. So he will read the numbers, and then like here 1, 2, 3, 4. So child will put here. So this way child will count the dots and place it according to the number like this. Try to make your sheets as colorful as possible. Put your all imagination, creativity on the sheet, because colors always attract the children and they want to sit and do the activity. These activities also improve the concentration of your child and helps in the fine motor skills. This is another beautiful sheet which you can see. I have made few flowers here and I have written the number on the flower. Now I have made few leaves. Ask your child to put leaves according to the number. So for first flower, number 1 is written. Child will put 1 leaf. For second flower, child can put 2 leaves like this. For the third flower, and so on. These sheets can be made very easily at home and are reusable also. Now these sheets can also be used to teach numbers and letters to the children. As you can see, I have written here letter A. You can ask your child to trace it on the letter, and these are erasable sheets, so it can be used as wipe and clean like this. Similarly, you can use for numbers. As you can see, I have made here another sheet for number 1. So it can be used like this, and you can also erase. Now, this is another activity that improves the fine motor skills of your child and helps in the pre-writing skills. As you can see here, I have made two shapes. Take some kidney beans like this and ask your child to place it on the picture like this. So every time the child is using his pointer finger, index finger and the thumb, he is developing a very fine motor skills which is required for the pre-writing. So he can finish the activity by putting these kidney beans like this. Hope you will definitely try these worksheets which can be reused as many times, and keep watching my video for more ideas. Thank you.